for those breathing new life into a Dell Optiplex GX270. Finding the right replacement motherboard is crucial. Today, we're looking at the generic K5786, also known as 0K5786 or CN 0K5786, a compatible spare part designed specifically for this classic system. This motherboard centers around the Intel 865PE chipset, a solid foundation for Pentium 4 and Celeron processors using the MPGA 478 socket. This pairing ensures compatibility and reliable performance for the intended era of computing. Memory-wise, the K5786 supports DDR SDRAM, which was standard for its time. It comes equipped with 64 megabytes of memory. The memory clock speed is 400 MHz, which aligns with the capabilities of the chipset and supported processors. While a generic brand, the key here is compatibility. Sourcing a motherboard that perfectly matches the Optiplex GX270 specifications is paramount for a smooth replacement process. The K5786 aims to deliver exactly that, allowing users to revive or maintain their existing systems without major headaches. It's important to note that this motherboard is designed for a specific generation of hardware. Don't expect modern features like PCIe Gen 4 or the latest NVMe support. This is a retro solution for a retro system. If you're dealing with a faulty Optiplex GX270 motherboard and want to avoid a complete system overhaul, the generic K5786 offers a viable and potentially cost-effective solution. Just be sure to double-check all specifications and compatibility requirements before purchasing to ensure it's the right fit for your needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.